And last but not the least, itong aming mismong reward program. Okay? As you know, you guys will be using our platform and you will be paying a monthly subscription, no? So we have three packages, the package A, package B, package C, which we will explain as we go along sa mga next slide, kung ano-ano yung mga yon. But take note and pakiintindi nyo maigi ito, no? Kasi we've created a kind of like a system program through affiliate rewards program na ibinigay namin na kung makakapag-repair kayo, let's say this global travel masterclass course through Liwaliw na binebenta namin, whoever wants to become an agent or freelance travel agent or franchisee will be able to have you earn affiliate rewards. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinare nyo, pwede kayong kumita ng 50% yung binibigay namin, half of the price nung 500 na one-time membership registration sa Global Travel. No? Ito yung ina-offer natin sa Liwaliw. But there is additional $15 every month each of the referral members na mailalagay nyo dito sa ating platform. So meaning if you have 4 members na mailalagay dito or maire-recommend or maire-repair, you will have at least $60 monthly affiliate rewards which entitle you to cover yung binabayaran namin dun sa maximum pricing package ng $60 natin monthly. We did that para hindi maging mabigat sa bawat members natin na kapag nakapag-refer sila ng tao is ma-offset na nila yung kanilang subscription. Without a doubt, 100%. That's adding on dito sa ating programa. Parang kumbaga, wala na. Kumbaga, tinake mo tong aming programa ng libre. Kasi bakit? If you refer 4, meron ka rin kagad makukuha na 250 right away dun sa referral mo eh. So, nagbayad ka sa amin when we purchase $500 dun sa one-time membership registration. If you have 4, kumita ka pa ng 500. And if you take the maximum price package that we have in our system, paid off ka na. It's like you join with us for free, and not mentioning the other earnings na nakukuha mo sa amin, which is in sa travel and packages plus yung sa e-commerce ng Live Good.